Namaste, myself jv'n Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about electric charge in the course General Radiation Physics for a BScRT first sem. Let us discuss about electric charge and Coulomb law. Electric charge. The term electric is derived from the Greek word electron. Any solid rubbed with a suitable material will attract light objects. For example, an ebonite rod rubbed with fur or a glass rod rubbed with silk will attract small bits of paper. Therefore, the agency which is responsible for this property is called electricity. The agency which is responsible for the electric charge transfer is called electricity. These bodies are classified and said to possess electric charge. There are two types of charge: positive charge, negative charge. In an atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Hence, atom as a whole is always neutral. When a glass rod is rubbed with silk, some of its electrons are transferred to the silk. Now the glass rod has lesser number of electrons, is positively charged and become positively charged. Similarly, when an ebonite rod is rubbed with fur, the ebonite rod gets some extra electrons from fur. Hence, the ebonite becomes negatively charged and the fur become positively charged. If the electron is any material like fur or ebonite gain the electron or receive the electron, then the charge is increased in negative. If the fur or ebonite any material lose the charge, then it will become positively charged. Thus, when two bodies are rubbed with each other, there is a redistribution of electron and no creation of electron. There is no creation of electron when the two materials are rubbed with each other. It is also found that like charges repel each other, positive charges repel each other, and unlike charges like positive negative electrons charge attract each other. The electric charge is denoted by the letter Q. Coulomb's law: the force between 2 points charge is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges Q1 Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, for example R or D, and is along the line joining the charges. The force may be attractive or repulsive forces. If F is the force between two charges Q1 and Q2 separated by a distance R, then F is equal to KQ1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 is the point charges. These are the joining in a line. R is the distance between these charges, where K is a constant. The value of K is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 × 10⁹ Newton into meter square per Coulomb square, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. The value of the permittivity of free space is equal to 8.85 into 10⁻⁻12 Coulomb square Newton per meter square. The unit of charge is Coulomb. A Coulomb is defined as a quantity of charge which, when placed at a distance of 1 meter in air or vacuum from an equal and similar charges, experiences a repulsive force of 9 × 10⁹ N Newton. The amount of charge is equal to 1.6029 × 10⁻⁻19 Coulomb. The amount of charge is the same for the positive charges or negative charges, electron or positron, but the sign are different for these particles. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 JVWU Women's University Jaipur. Again, thank you.